In question 19, we're asked to solve this inequality. It looks nasty because it's got lots of fractions, but if we just deal with the fractions one at a time, then we'll make our lives easier for now, and then we'll look at a shortcut at the end. So 5 minus 2x over 3 is greater than 1/2 plus x over 4. So currently, how do I get rid of a divide by 3? Well, I need to multiply by 3, but I need to multiply everything by 3. So 15, 5 times 3 is 15. Take away 2x over 3 times 3 is just 2x, is greater than 1/2 times 3 is 3 over 2 plus 3x over 4. Okay. Now, how do I get rid of the divide by 4? Well, I need to multiply everything by 4. 15 times 4 is 60. Take away 8x is greater than 12 over 2 plus 3x. Now, the 12 over 2 we can just write as 6. So 60 take away 8x is greater than 6 plus 3x. And now it's easy because we just have to rearrange to make x a subject. Rather than times in by 3 and then times in by 4, you could have multiplied the whole thing by 12 in one go. So that would have made things slightly quicker, but that's okay to do it in stages as long as we get to the right answer. So minus 8x, I want my x to be positive, so I'm going to put it on this side. So 8x plus 3x is 11x. And then 60 minus 6 is 54. So I end up with x is less than 50 over 4. Now, a lot of you then tried to go on and do that into a decimal by doing some long division. It's okay to leave that as a fraction. Okay, it's more exact if it's as a fraction anyway. So that's fine for the answer to part A. Part B says list the positive integers, so positive whole numbers which satisfy this equation which we've just solved here. So we're writing the integers that satisfy x is less than 54 divided by 11. Well, 54 divided by 11, how many 11s in 54? Let's see, not quite 5, because if it was 5, it would be 55. So this as a decimal is going to be 4 point something. So if x is less than 4 point something, and it's a positive number, positive integer, what could it be? Well, 0 is debatable whether we class that as a positive integer or not. If you do some research on the internet, you'll see different schools of thought on that one. In our textbook, in our course, it's counted as a natural number, so it's counted as part of the natural numbers, but then I guess, does that define it as being a positive? We'll give it to you either way. Put the 0 in brackets if you're not sure. But definitely, positive integer would be 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is 4 point something, so it's not 5, because this would need to be 55 divided by 11 if we were going to include 5. So listing them, 0, yes, according to our textbook, but not according to the kind of general wider mathematical society, and definitely 1, 2, 3 and 4.